Hi everybody, I'm Mary Ann Turner and I'm out here today with Buster Brown taking a little walk at Town Hall, and we're going to spend a second and talk to Carolyn McCaffrey, our probate judge. But before we do, I want to be sure that you know that we are practicing social distancing. I have a mask, but Governor Lamont's Executive Order 7BB stated specifically as long as you are 6 feet apart, you can actually speak to somebody. So that's what we'll be doing today when we talk to Carolyn. Before we go, please take a second and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just hit the button below and hang on, let's talk to Carolyn. Hey Carolyn.
Hi Marianne, how are you?
I'll be glad when we get to be a little closer, but
yes.
Today we can't do that. So Buster Brown and I wanted to come out today and talk to you. We're over at the Town Hall where you spend quite a bit of your time.
I do.
So tell me a little bit about how things are going and what you're doing and whatever.
So things are going great. Since the pandemic started, we've continued operations. We accept filings by mail. Although the public can't come into Town Hall, all of the workers, including probate court, are continuing to conduct business. So if you have anything to mail into the court, mail it in. We also have e-filing too. So attorneys do e-file documents, but the public can as well too.
Will you find after this is all over, and hopefully it'll be sooner than later, that you might have actually learned a few things that you might just keep?
Definitely, yes. We've learned a lot about technology. We're actually conducting hearings by telephone and by WebEx. So that might be something we might institute going forward, to have some hearings done by WebEx meetings, perhaps maybe with our prisons or the hospitals. So that's a possibility.
And now how about your staff? Everybody's good? They're coming to work? They're doing their thing?
Yes, everyone's healthy. I'm blessed to have such a wonderful staff. My chief clerk is phenomenal. A lot of people know Chandler as well at the front desk. Great staff, they're working very hard. We've been pretty busy, especially with mental health issues, conservators and commitment hearings. So they are working hard, but they're doing a great job.
Well, excellent. Your term runs till, I forgot.
It's a 4-year term.
Okay, so you're going to be there a little while.
Yeah, I've been there for probably about 1.5 years now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything that you did different than the previous Judge Keeney did, or?
I'd say not a lot of differences, although, e-filing's new, but again, I hired a great chief clerk. All the backlog is gone. We're up to date on everything. We do our best to move things forward quickly, so we don't want to hold up anyone's estate, or if they have a real estate closing, they need paperwork. We make sure we move things quickly.
And a lot of that has to do with your actual background before you became probate judge. Can you elaborate on that a little?
That's correct, yes. My background does involve real estate closings, wills, estate planning, that kind of work. So I know how important it is to get documents quickly from a court. So again, the last thing we want to do is hold up anyone's lives, so we try to move things as quick as possible.
So you kind of took previous experience and moved it forward here.
That's correct.
I'll bet there was a few times that you were delayed where it didn't work out well. You had to keep pushing the envelope.
It does happen, yeah, but we definitely try to avoid that.
Excellent. Well, we're glad that you took the time to speak with us today. I know that we'll be doing it again, probably in another 6 months or a year or whatever. But if anything interesting comes up that you want to share with us, please let me know. We'll come back out and do another take.
I will, definitely.
All right,
thank you for visiting.
Thank you. Everybody, I'm glad that you stopped by with us today, and as you can see, Buster takes these trips very seriously. So we look forward to being with you again. Just stay tuned. Between now and then, remember, be safe, be kind, and be a little happy.